5 hot YouTube automation niches for 2023. Welcome to the thrilling roller coaster ride into the future, where technology and creativity merge into a symphony of endless possibilities. Hold on tight, because we're about to dive into the mind-blowing universe of YouTube automation that will change the way you see content creation. Ever wondered how AI could be your personal video editor? Or perhaps how your video could magically speak the language of viewers across the globe? Well, fasten your seatbelts as we're about to unravel the 5 scorching hot YouTube automation niches for 2023 that will revolutionize the very fabric of content creation and audience engagement. This is the era where technology empowers creators like never before. Are you ready to seize the future? Let's jump in. Niche 1. Video content creation automation. Welcome to the futuristic world of video content creation automation, where creativity meets innovation. In 2023, one of the hottest YouTube automation niches is undoubtedly the automation of content creation. We all know that producing high-quality videos takes time and effort, especially when you have to consider brainstorming, scripting, filming, editing, and publishing. But what if we told you that now you can streamline this process and focus more on creativity? Enter AI-powered video creation tools, which have become a game-changer for content creators. With the emergence of artificial intelligence, we now have access to tools that can automate script writing, generate visuals, edit footage, and even produce voiceovers. For instance, tools like Lumen 5 and Synthesia use AI to transform text-based content into engaging videos. How about making videos on trending topics without even touching the camera? Impressive, right? This is an ideal solution for YouTubers who want to put out consistent content without burning out. What's more exciting is that technology is constantly evolving, opening the door for limitless possibilities. Imagine being able to create deepfake videos, where you can have historical figures like Albert Einstein narrate your science videos, or a virtual avatar hosting a fashion vlog. The possibilities are endless, and as content creators, we have to keep up with these innovations. This automation not only saves time, but also brings down production costs significantly, allowing more creators to enter the space. So take the plunge and dive into the exciting world of video content creation automation to make your mark on YouTube. Niche 2. Social media integration automation. Our second niche is social media integration automation, an essential tool for YouTubers who wish to expand their horizons beyond YouTube. We live in an age where our audience is spread across various platforms, and engaging with them on all fronts is crucial for growth. Keeping up with multiple social media accounts can be exhausting. What if you could automate this process? Thankfully, automation tools like Buffer and Hootsuite allow you to schedule posts, track performance, and manage all your social media accounts from a single dashboard. These tools can be a boon for YouTubers, as they can automatically share their latest videos across different platforms. But wait, there's more. How about having custom-made content for each platform? Tools like Promo Republic let you tailor your content for different social media, meaning your Facebook post can have a different twist compared to your tweet. But we are not stopping there. The social media integration automation landscape is rapidly growing and now incorporates sophisticated AI-driven algorithms that can predict the best times to post content for optimal engagement. It can also analyze audience sentiments and suggest content strategies that resonate with your target audience. By leveraging these automation tools, we can focus on creating captivating content while ensuring that it reaches the broadest audience possible. So harness the power of social media integration automation and see your YouTube channel skyrocket. Niche 3. Video SEO optimization automation. Now let's shift gears and talk about video SEO optimization automation. Creating great content is only half the battle. Ensuring that your videos reach the right audience is equally important. Traditionally, optimizing videos for search engine rankings has been a tedious process. But guess what? Automation is here to rescue us. TubeBuddy and vidIQ are 2 revolutionary tools that are dominating the video SEO optimization space. These tools offer a plethora of features like keyword research, tag suggestions, and competitor analysis, which are invaluable for any content creator. But the true marvel lies in the AI-powered capabilities of these tools. Imagine having an AI assistant that scans your content, analyzes trending topics, and offers suggestions to optimize your titles, tags, and descriptions, all in real time. This is just the tip of the iceberg. With advancements in AI, we are looking at a future where automation tools will be able to analyze audience engagement in videos, like where they're dropping off, and suggest changes in content strategy. Combining these insights with SEO optimization can propel your videos to the top of search results. Being at the forefront of search rankings not only boosts visibility, but also helps in establishing authority in your niche. So dive into the ocean of opportunities that video SEO optimization automation offers, and watch as your YouTube channel ascends to new heights. Niche 4. Automated video translation and localization. Moving forward, let's explore the incredible realm of automated video translation and localization. As content creators, we aspire to reach a global audience. However, language barriers can often hinder our ability to connect with viewers from different parts of the world. What if you could speak to your audience in their language, literally? Well, tools like Rev and Subly are making this dream a reality. These platforms offer automated translation and captioning services that allow your videos to be accessible to a non-English speaking audience. And we're not talking about simple translation here. Advanced AI systems can understand the cultural context and provide localization, which is the adaptation of content to meet the language and cultural requirements of a specific market. But wait, it gets even more exhilarating. The latest advancements in AI-driven voice synthesis are paving the way for automated dubbing, where your videos can have voiceovers in different languages while maintaining the tone and context. This is groundbreaking, as it allows content creators to truly become global without the need for expensive translation and dubbing services. Engaging with a diverse audience not only expands your reach, but also creates a global community around your content. So break the barriers and embrace the world with automated video translation and localization. Niche 5. Audience analytics automation. Last but certainly not least, we dive into the powerful world of audience analytics automation. Knowing your audience is the key to success on any platform, and YouTube is no exception. Traditional analytics tools have provided basic insights into audience demographics and engagement. But what if you could have deep insights into what your audience really wants? Enter audience analytics automation. AI-driven platforms like Socialbook and Octoly are revolutionizing how we understand our audience. These tools provide in-depth analytics on audience interests, preferences, and behavior, giving content creators a treasure trove of data to craft content that resonates with their audience. But there's more. Imagine having a tool that not only provides analytics, but also predicts future trends and audience preferences. With the integration of machine learning algorithms, we are now seeing tools that can forecast trends, allowing content creators to stay ahead of the curve. Being proactive in content creation based on data-driven insights can be the game changer in building a loyal and engaged audience. Let's embrace audience analytics automation to not just know, but to understand and connect with our audience on a deeper level. Your audience is waiting. Let's get to know them better. Automation is revolutionizing the YouTube ecosystem. From content creation and social media integration to SEO optimization, video translation, and audience analytics, automation tools are empowering content creators to streamline processes, expand their reach, and engage with a global audience. Let's embrace these hot YouTube automation niches and redefine what it means to be a content creator in 2023 and beyond.